share with you my nighttime routine. A lot of YouTubers and Instagrammers do so. I thought, why not me? I am also trying to be an influencer if you just don't know or you live under a rock. So that's why we are going to do this, and I'm going to remove this makeup that I've put on with a lot of efforts. But it's the night, people, and we have to do what we gotta do. So the first thing is put your hair in a scrunchie because I straightened them today and I'm not planning to re-straighten them tomorrow so that they remain secure. The first step to my makeup removing process is using a micellar water. This is the Garnier micellar water that I use. I love it. I ordered like 4 bottles of this. Obsessed. We are going to do it very gently because, as they say, you have to be gentle with your skin, otherwise it will age a lot faster. I'm going to remove my face first, otherwise my whole face will be black and blue from the eye makeup. We are on to the saddest part of the whole makeup process, which is the eyes, and I've put like so much effort. It took me an hour to do all this, and now I'm removing it. My face is almost clean, but still I'm going to take one more cotton low, put some more micellar to kind of thoroughly remove every bit of makeup. You have to remove it. How dirty it is still. Now I'm going to wash my face with the face wash. This is the Organic Harvest Active Face Wash. I'm obsessed with this one because it is like a 3-in-1 process. It's so good. Like, I've been using it for like past 6 months almost, and I've been obsessed. This is my second tube. I am obsessed, like obsessed. Generally, I don't do this every day, but once in a while I do this. Organic Harvest Face Scrub. This shit is expensive. For this much, you have to pay like $5.95 rupees. But you have only one life, you live once, you just need this much amount of it for your whole face. I don't do this daily, I do it once in a while. I bought this Specifics Professional Skin Brightening D10 pack and I've used it twice and I really love the feel of it. It makes you feel like very moisturizing, cool and calm. So I really like the effect it does. It's not a mud mask, it's a cream based mask. You have to just apply it and then you have to wait for like 20 minutes. It's been more than 20 minutes. I'm going to wash my face. My face feels super fresh and cold. I love this feeling that I get after using this face pack. It makes you feel so fresh. Generally, after washing my face, I apply this toner. This is the Biotique toner, which is very famous, but I don't like to soak it in the cotton pad, so I put it into this so I can spray it. But today I'm not going to use it because I've already used a hydrating, moisturizing face mask. For the next step, I'm going to directly apply serum. This is a Radiant Boost Brightening Vitamins Face Serum. Bought it for my parents and I stole from them. This smells so good. For face serums, this is something that I've learned recently, that you have to apply it before putting the moisturizer on. The reason behind it is serum molecules are very small, so they go in your skin, deep inside your skin. But if you put a moisturizer before the serum, the molecule size is a lot bigger, so it will cover the whole surface and won't let the serum go inside your skin. So that's the logic behind that. Try to massage your face, not too much, just lightly so that it gets absorbed. And then you have to wait at least 5 minutes. I have the serum on my face, I can't do the other step. So in the meantime, I'm going to use my lip balm. This is the Chaptex. It is prescribed to me by my dermatologist. If you have sensitive lips, this is the thing for you, but I'm running out of it because I can't go out and it's very hard to find in the local markets. So there's a particular shop in Arkipuram that I buy it from and I can't go there. So that's why I'm just running out of it. These are the last few drops of it. So I have to bear with that. I think it's been 5 minutes since I've applied serum. I'm going to apply almost the last step, which is applying this Himalaya anti-wrinkle cream. It's awesome. Like, it smells so divine. It smells, oh my god, it smells so good. It is an anti-wrinkle cream that I've started using for probably like more than a year or something, because a lot of people keep on saying that you have to start when you step into your 20s. So I did. I'm getting old, so there's no other explanation to this. I'm getting old. So the older part of me wants to use anti-wrinkle cream because I think I'm going to have wrinkles. I'm going to massage it in upward motion. Last step of the whole process is eye cream. This is the one that I bought recently. It's by VLCC. It's very nice. It gives you cooling sensation around the eyes and stuff like that. And it's like really, really nice. It's creamy, thick. I apply on the lid as well because we want to moisturize it. And this will conclude my nighttime routine. Now I'm going to brush my teeth and go to bed. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye.